Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now I am going to discuss Haravensa University Physics Chemistry Entrance Question 2017 and question number 75. Predict the product in the following reaction is. It is given this alkene and treated with this dipuran, and secondly they have used that sodium hydroxide and water, and we'll discuss here. This dipuran is when diaphragm is 2pH3, and we'll see here the whole reaction mechanism. This is the alkane. Okay, this is your alkane, and this diapurane, this BH3 has one vacant p orbital, so it can easily take this 2 pi electron, and we'll see here. Okay, this is boron, and this is hydrogen, and it has negative charge, and we'll see here it has positive charge. It is such type of transition state, and finally this hydrogen will transfer to here. Okay, this is your methyl, and this is hydrogen, and this is boron, and this is boron. Again, when it will treat with this hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydroxide, what will happen, I will show you here. Okay, this hydrogen peroxide has proton. When it will treated with sodium hydroxide, this base will abstract proton, and this will get a negative charge, and we will get this ion. Again, this will attack to this diphorane. Okay, and you will get here this hydrogen, this. Okay, and this is negative charge. Okay, again this will go to here, and this hydrogen which go away. Okay, then we'll get this product. Similarly, there will be a another two step. Okay, in two step you will get this. Okay, then hydrolysis takes place. You will get the product. This will be the product. Okay, you will get this as the product. So the correct answer is B is your right answer. Okay, another question will say, what is the relationship between trans 2-butene and cis 2-butene here, and this is trans and this is cis. Okay, the relationship between is we'll see here. For geometrical isomer, for a geometrical isomer for a particular compound, if the cis form is a diastereomer to the trans isomer. Okay, you remember this point? For a geometrical isomer, trans isomer is diastereomer to the cis isomer for this geometrical isomer. Okay, here this the relationship between this trans to butene and cis to butene is diastereomer. Okay. Okay, generally you have seen that diastereomer, if there is more than one chiral center, then stereochemical changes at one chiral center, then you will say that is diastereomer of one another. But in case of this geometrical isomer, the trans isomer is diastereomer to cis isomer. Okay. Another question, we'll see how many carbon-13 NMR resonances are predicted for the one phenyl, one propanol. We'll see here. First, you will see. You have to check that there is any symmetrical or identical center. Okay, we'll see here. This is benzene. Okay, and this center is equivalent to this center is equivalent to this center, and this is already one center, and this is already one center. And you see here will number here how many carbon-13 NMR are possible here. Okay, we'll see here. Okay, this is from this I will get this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Hence total number of carbon-13 NMR resonances are here for this particular compound is 7. Okay, another question from the carbocation stability. Another question from the carbocation stability. We'll say you are seeing here this is A, this is B, or this is 1 2 3 4. You are seeing here you are seeing in the fourth molecule it has 2 pi bond, and these 2 pi bond are already conjugated to this carbocation, and you are seeing here in third compound, and you are seeing here this third compound is contain 1 pi bond. Okay, 1 pi bond, and this pi only this single pi bond is already in conjugation with this carbocation, and you are seeing this this pi bond is already away from this carbocation and not take part in this conjugation, and another is another compound one has no any pi bond, and also you know that the resonance in carbocation stability, that resonance effect is dominate over the hyperconjugation effect, and you are seeing here in this two molecule has a resonance effect, and another here is no resonance, but this molecule has more electron rich center and as compared to this first one. And if we'll compare here these 2 pi bond in already in conjugation with this one. Okay, so it has 2 pi bond, and carbocation stability for this fourth case is more. Okay, because it has 2 pi bond. Again we'll come if you see this compound 3, there is 1 pi bond, and also it will stabilize this carbocation. If you compare 4 and 3, 4 is more stable as compared to 3 because 4 has 2 pi bond. We'll compare now 1 and 2, and you are seeing here 2 has 1 pi bond, and although this pi bond is not take part in conjugation, but it has more electron rich center because of 1 pi bond, so 2 is more stable as compared to 1. So correct order is 4 3 2 1. Okay.